Yes, morning. And if y'all could tell, but we had a couple hours sleep. But you know the party can't stop. So now we're getting ready to jump on the boat and head over to Nevis. You know what I mean? That's the sister island to St. Kitts. Come along with us.
Pulling into the ferry terminal. Hi guys, as you see here, we are heading to Nevis, but we are forgetting something very important. 2 days ago, we explored the town of Basseterre, Molyneux, and St. Paul's. So let's take it back to that day. Hey guys, it's Juve afternoon and we're taking a drive out. It's so breezy and nice. We just went to go look for Tony and he is knocked out because he was gone today, like gone, okay? Is having her smoothie. Grandma's in the back seat with her for her baby. Is driving. Going to a show right now. We're the swimsuit competition in Mr. GQ. Hey guys, you want something to drink? Everybody else is here. Good morning, everybody. Morning. How you doing? Oh, yeah, somebody got the long hair. Oh, yeah. We're at the National Museum of St. Kitts. It's showing you the national symbols, the national flag, the coat of arms, country above self, love that. The national bird is the brown pelican. The national ware. The national dish is what? Stewed saltfish served with spicy plantains, coconut dumplings, and seasoned breadfruit. Oh wow, and the national flower is the poinciana or flamboyant.
Dr. One. And in this trip, me and Juliet and Leota and Stanley.
Wow.
Yeah, keep your hand in.
Where we at now, Bobby?
I think they call here. What are here in Middle Island?
Yeah, I was just gonna ask you.
Look
Look at the water. This reminded me of Jamaica right here, driving through little towns.
This guppy going down here. Two young people come visit from England. This river here that's always overflow. They say they tell them don't go to the car small. He still drive through. The car start going. He get out the wife and get out the jump back in to go rescue if it enough a sea.
The water wash them down there, sir? Wow. Here?
Down there is where the school is. You see building back behind them.
Oh, the with the blue?
Yeah, that's the school.
Here's our party.
The building hall in this church.
Look a bar. Oh, this house nice. This Travis mom.
Come get a picture in front of it, mommy. Come.
As to the foundation.
Yep.
Well, at least the block's still there.
So we had extra one like put on because he need to finish it.
Oh, the piglets, they're so cute, but them run gone. Now we're headed to Molyneux's.
And I got school.
So wait, your father moved from Baker's Corner back to Molyneux?
Yep, remember the field.
Where? Where the pink houses? Oh, okay.
Right on the strap, me and Terry sit and waiting the whole time for before he named it. Yeah.
They leveled it. That's what I was telling Travis that your mom should do. Level hers and just put a fence around it. That Shirley Biscuit from Molyneux. What is the shop name in Molyneux, babe?
Exactly. Yep, so we just went for island tour. We stopped in Molyneux. I used to come in the summer to spend the summer with my dad. The house not there anymore, but I had to come show babes the area. Stopped at a little supermarket right here, Sunny Foods. Y'all can see it. Now we heading back to Tongue to get some food, some nice island steamed fish and thing. So stay tuned. Island excursion, SKB, Sugar City.
So we're out at, what's the name of this restaurant, Tony? What's the name of this restaurant?
Yeah.
And we're Oceanside. Look at my fish, the snapper, bungee. This is a Kitchen favorite. Okay guys, let's head on over to Nevis. We are back to the present. Hey people, we're on the boat heading to Nevis. And you know who's excited? I am, because I like island hopping. Okay, good. You see any good fruits? I want one with a jelly that's soft, okay? I want a jelly that's soft. Not too soft though.
You ain't gonna pop the right?
Hey, that's mine. Everybody in the market getting soup, different juices. So this is what you call sorrel. This is the sorrel palm, pepper, everything. That's mine, Tony?
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Get me some chicken soup.
I know a lot of chicken. People put less chicken to me.
Where you get Patrick? Where you get?
Another chicken. Yeah, no, you know this.
You're not what?
Another chicken. Yeah?
Like, what do you call it? Like evangelist?
You're a preacher.
Preachers are tall.
Who?
Ah!
I'm a preacher. So but your type of preacher and my type of preacher is different. No.
Oh Lord.
Forget that. Let's start that one. Yeah.
We got a taxi,
Back
guys.
to Nevis. Nevis having about 11,500 people and 11,900 monkeys.
Wow! Some more monkeys than people. St.
Yes,
Paul's
St.
Nevis.
Paul's right now. All the churches named after their parishes.
Oh, look, you St. Paul's woman.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is so pretty. Oh, Taylor. This is called the Hermitage.
Happy New Year, my friend.
Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
how are you?
Welcome to Hermitage.
Thank you.
Hello.
Okay, this is the building here was built in 1670. It's one of the oldest wooden structure building in the Eastern Caribbean, which we call the Hermitage. This right here, you either used to filter the water. They used to filter the water right here, get the water from the cistern, and show it to the top and used to filter itself, go straight down into the jar.
Wow. Yes, Taylor? Let me look at the jar. He was talking about the jar first. So the jar there, it filters into that. This is amazing.
The molasses down, real shine. It'll make your head so shine.
Can we go here? I want to take a picture like that. Let's go, guys.
You want to go there?
Yeah. Do we go this way? So this is where we will be hanging for the day. It's Limes Beach Club. Guys, the beach is lovely. The sun is out. This is life. Yes, this is life, guys. I don't want it to end. It is cold. Look at Fat Man. Yeah. It's cold. Look at Fat Man. Yeah, Fat Man.
Daddy, come on, do the same thing. Do the same thing.
Run in. It's a chill towel to put on your neck.
What's the Wi-Fi?
He said there's no password. Oh, it feels so good.
There's no password?
The chill towel. We just got off the beach and they gave us a chilled eucalyptus towel. Oh, this place has won me over. Yeah. This place, if you guys are in Nevis, you have to visit Lime Beach Bar. Like, the service is amazing. We're coming off the beach. They brought us over in like a little, what do you call it, golf cart? Like, really, really good service. So with this here, I got fish tacos, Babe got shrimp tacos, Taylor got chicken tender. Oh, Herbie, that looks good. What is that?
I know.
Grouper?
Excuse me. Oh, you got the lemon on it and pepper.
Today, we're at the hot springs, and it's needed because I sprained my ankle trying to get an Instagram shot. Don't do it for the gram. Are you talking to me?
It's a change in bus.
This way, come back.
Ooh.
Some water on you. Pour
It is. This is naturally this hot?
Naturally 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
120 degrees. Babe, it's hot enough? Put your legs in. Put your legs down and then pour it on your legs.
What's all this hiding?
Ooh!
It feels nice.
Ooh! They're hiding their titties. She tries to bet your chest.
Come on, bring out the titties, man. Bring out the titties.
Really hot. Pour it on your foot, okay? Uncle pour it on your legs for you. You see it's burning, right? Babe is helping to nurse my sprained foot. This water feels hotter than hot. And it's naturally hot.
Just water from your head to your toe.
Can I see your bowl, please? Uncle! I used to fart. It's like to wash your face.
How does it feel on your face, guys?
Alright, babe, make sure you get your
Can I
hip.
borrow a rag for my face? How much? $1? Yeah, 2 rags. Taylor washing her face at the natural spring bath. Don't fall over. Oh. Here, dry your face. This is the hot spring pool. Oh, and the water just seeped down into the other side. They're on their third one. Getting ready to leave Nevis, guys. Just taking us back to the port.